Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 26 June from around the world. Chinese funds for Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, BJP's latest political attack. As Congress allegation of the government surrendering India to China has intensified, the BJP has hit back with a strong political allegation that the Chinese are funding the Congress. The BJP has accused the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation of receiving donations from the Chinese embassy in India. The party alleges that these donations were made in 2005 and 2006. Congress chief Sonia Gandhi is the chairperson of the RGF and its board has Dr. Manmohan Singh, Rahul Gandhi, P. Chidambaram and Priyanka Gandhi. Delhi COVID patients won't need to visit government centers, order revoked. All coronavirus patients in Delhi will not have to visit a quarantine center for evaluation, the government said on Thursday, with Lieutenant Governor Anil Baijal withdrawing his order after strong protest from the Aam Aadmi Party administration. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal had requested the centre to withdraw the directive, saying that the order was not correct and likened it to 15-day detention. Delhi has displaced Mumbai as the worst hit city in India with over 70,000 coronavirus cases. Maharashtra, Delhi among 5 states to receive first batch of COVID-19 drug. Hyderabad-based drug maker Hetero, which has approval to manufacture and market the generic version of the experimental COVID-19 drug Remdesivir, has sent 20,000 vials to 5 states, including Maharashtra and Delhi, the 2 worst affected states in the country. Gujarat and Tamil Nadu are the other 2 states that will receive the first batch of the drug, which is being marketed under the brand name Covifo in India. Telangana's capital, Hyderabad, where the drug maker is based, will also receive the first consignment. Board exams for class 12 students optional, CBSE tells SC. Appearing for the remaining CBSE board exams for class 12, students will be optional this year. Class 12 students will be evaluated under a special marking scheme in which their performance in the last 3 school examinations will be considered. The Central Board of Secondary Education informed the Supreme Court on Thursday. Coronavirus vaccine status check. Scientists mull vaccine as nasal spray, Oxford jab by October. Even though pharmaceutical companies have launched generic versions of Remdesivir and Favipiravir for COVID-19 treatment, which will help in reducing the viral load, a proven cure for the novel coronavirus is still exclusive. However, if University of Oxford is to be believed, a top scientist has said its experimental COVID-19 vaccine is on track for release in October. Besides Oxford University, China National Biotech Group has also kicked off phase 3 clinical trials in the United Arab Emirates of its inactivated COVID-19 vaccine candidate. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.